In today's video, I will show you how to get stretch resolution in Fortnite Chapter 5 Season 4. So let's get started. First, click on search at bottom and type %local app data % and press enter. Scroll down and click on Fortnite, go to Save, Config, Windows Client and look for Game User Settings.ini. Right click on it and go to Properties. Untick Read Only and click OK. Now open Game User Settings.ini. Go to Edit and click on Font. Type resolution size and press enter. Scroll down until you see it. In resolution size, make it 1650 by 1080. Do the same for the last user confirmed resolution size. Scroll down and do the same for the desired screen width and the last user confirmed desired screen width. Now, click on File and then click Save. Close it and right-click on Game User Settings.ini again. Go to Properties, tick Read Only, and click OK. Let's move on to the next step. Right-click on your desktop and click on Show More Options, NVIDIA Control Panel. If you don't have that, you can download it from the Microsoft Store. Once you're in it, go to Change Resolution. Make sure the correct monitor is selected. Click on Customize and make sure that Enable Resolutions Not Exposed by the Display is ticked. Then click on Create Custom Resolution. Now type in the resolution 1650 by 1080 for the refresh rate set to 144. Click on Test and then click Yes. Click OK. Your stretched resolution will appear here. Click Apply. Click on Adjust Desktop Size and position at top left. Then select Full Screen. Click Apply and you are done. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!